NoodleTools will ask you a series of questions about your sources and help you cite them in the citation style you selected when you set up your project. To add a source, make sure you're on the project dashboard. Click Sources at the top of the page. Click the Create a New Citation button. You'll be asked a series of questions to identify your source. Continue entering information about your source material. If you don't know some of the information, you can leave form fields blank. These options are just omitted from your citation. You can select whether to keep this resource on your final list of citations. You can go back and change this at any time, but the box is checked by default. If you're finished entering the source information, choose Save. If you're composing an annotated bibliography as part of the assignment, you'll want to choose the option to save and add annotation. An annotation is a summary of the resource with an explanation for how it may or may not apply to your research. Enter that information in the annotation box and choose Save and Close to exit the annotation window.